Hi students, in this lecture we are going to solve some more problems on SHM. Let us see the question number 4. A particle moving along y-axis and its y-coordinate is given by, so in that first question is y equal to a e power I omega t, and second question is y equal to 3 sine pi t plus 4 cos pi t is a motion simple harmonic. So when question is given like to verify the motion simple harmonic or not, the condition is acceleration must be proportional to negative of displacement. This is what we have learned, right? Let us now cross check. The first one, y equal to a e power I omega t. Now differentiate that first with respect to time. So derivative of velocity with respect to time gives velocity. So v equal to, it is a I omega e power I omega t. Differentiate once again, that gives acceleration. See how much it is. Acceleration is, it is a omega square I square into e power I omega t, right? And from that is equal to minus omega square y. So focus here how we got minus. If we have learned complex numbers in mathematics, then you come to know the value of I square equal to minus 1. Or if you are knowing that, now you can learn that I square equal to minus 1. That means it is now the acceleration is equal to minus omega square into y. That means acceleration is proportional to negative of the displacement. Therefore, motion is a simple harmonic. So whenever you are given any function and if the ask is a motion simple harmonic or not, so what we have to do is differentiate displacement twice to get acceleration. If that acceleration is proportional to negative of displacement, then motion is a simple harmonic, right? Okay. Now let us come to the next question. So y equal to 3 sine pi t plus 4 cos pi t. And I am writing this as a 5 sine pi t plus 53. See how to write this one. So first what we are doing is here. So y equal to, just multiply and divide with the 5, that given equation. So 5 into, it is now 3 by 5 sine pi t plus 4 by 5 cos pi t, right? Okay. Now what's the next step? That is equal to 5 into 3 by 5 can be written as, it is a cos 53, and 4 by 5 here, it can be written as sine 53. So this is sine 53 and this is a cos 53. Okay. So then we can write it as 5 sine pi t plus 53. So I hope you got this one. So we are multiplying and dividing with a 5. Then 3 by 5 is written as cos 53. 4 by 5 is written as, it is sine 53. Then it is just like cos A sine B plus sine A cos B. So writing as sine of A plus B, that is a sine pi t plus 53. And you know that if you differentiate now this twice, we are going to get acceleration which is proportional to negative of displacement. Hence, motion is simple harmonic. So this is a way of verifying the given motion is simple harmonic or not. Okay, right. Let us go to the next question. Question number 5. Read the question once. A particle is executing simple harmonic motion and its y coordinate is given by y equal to 6 cos pi by 2t. Find distance traveled in the time interval from t equal to 0 to t naught. If y equal to 2 centimeter at t equal to t naught. So same kind of question means calculation of distance traveled. We have discussed in the earlier class. This is now one more question basing on the same. But in this time is not mentioned, means a time interval. The value of t naught is not mentioned, but they mention y coordinate at t equal to t naught. So let us see how to solve this one. So if you want to try, you can try once of your own without seeing solution. After trying 3 to 4 minutes of your own, then you can follow my solution. Right. Let us see how to start the problem. So given function y equal to right, given function y equal to y equal to 6 cos y equal to 6 cos pi by 2t and asking the time interval t equal to 0 to t equal to t naught. When you are writing t0 here, y value equal to 6. That means it is at right extreme position. I am drawing here. It is, this is mean position. This is now, let us call mean position as A, right extreme position as B, and left extreme position as C. Okay. So from the given data, when t equal to 0, y equal to 6. That means it is at right extreme position. And when t equal to t naught, you are given y equal to 2. So it is now somewhere here, y equal to 2. So I am writing here. It is y equal to 2 centimeter. Right. So distance traveled. Now we can see this distance traveled depends on the time interval. Means what is the value of t naught? It is depending on what is the value of t naught. Now here that value is not mentioned. So we are having now many possibilities. Let us now cross check. Assume that it travels from B to A. So one possibility B to A means we have distance from A to B, that is 6, because that is now amplitude. A to B, that is amplitude which is equal to 6 centimeter. Given B to that point, let us call that point as P. Let us call that point as P. So from B to P distance is given as 2. Sorry, we are given y coordinate is 2. Okay, y coordinate is 2. That means the value of AP AP equal to 2 centimeter and PB is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. See carefully. We are given y coordinate. So y coordinate 2 means since A corresponds to y equal to 0, AP value will be 2 centimeter and PB value will be 4 centimeter, right? So when it is traveling from B to P, it has a covered a distance two, so it is a 4, right? It is now 6 minus 2, that is a 4. The length of PB is a 4. So distance traveled, first possibility, it is a 4, B to P. That is one possibility. Second possibility, it travels from B to A means main position, from mean to left extreme, from left extreme to mean position, from mean position to P. Students, see carefully. We are checking the second possibility, B to A means right extreme to mean position, mean to left extreme, now left extreme to mean position. That means 6 plus 6 plus 6. It is 18. Okay. Next from A to P, that is now 2. So 18 plus 2. So next possibility is distance traveled is 20. 18 plus 2. Right? I am repeating. First possibility, it is B to P. That means answer 4 centimeter. That is one possibility. Second possibility, it travels from B to C and C to A and A to P. That's why I have taken here 18. So 3 into 6, 18 plus A to P, that is 2. This is the second possibility. Third possibility, it is completing one oscillation. I am repeating, it is completing one oscillation and then travels from B to P, that is a 4. So completing one oscillation means distance traveled is a 4 into 6, 24. I have written here 24. So completing one oscillation plus P to P, that is a 4. So next possibility, 24 plus 4. Next possibility. And next, if you observe, 24 plus 18 plus 2. See what is this? 24. It has finished one oscillation. 18 means right extreme to mean position to left extreme to mean position. So it is 18. Next, mean position to point P. So plus 2. Like this, we have to calculate distance traveled. And why we got these many possibilities? The reason is value of T naught is not given. Okay. Like this, we can cross check all possibilities. Suppose you are given this question for multi-correct. Then we have to cross check like this all possibilities. Okay. If you get clarity, then you can try the same thing. In the place of cos, take now sine function. Okay. Right.